The rain's going to intensify along with the winds as we go through the night tonight. That's why it's an impact night. Those winds could be strong enough to cause some spotty power outages or bring down some of those holiday decorations. The rain will move out, but it will remain blustery throughout our Friday. Could see wind gusts still upwards of 45 miles per hour through the day, and temperatures will fall through the day. By this time tomorrow, we're going to be back below freezing. Calmer weather, dry weather will return for the weekend ahead. But be prepared for periods of on and off rain. I do expect the rain will intensify as we get closer to dawn. Add it all up, I think we're picking up half an inch to an inch of rain, but gusts could be upwards of 50 miles per hour. So the rainfall at that rate and the winds of that strength, we could see some power outages or even some ponding water on some roadways. 42 right now in Lancaster, thanks to the rain hitting this snowpack. That's why temperatures have dropped a little bit, but you can see some moderate bands of rain now setting up, I'd say, just there to the west of US 15 and parts of Adams County, now into Cumberland County, Dauphin County. We will continue to see steady rain over the next few hours. May get a brief break, but then more rain is going to build on in thanks to all of this rain that's coming up from the Tennessee and towards Kentucky. All of that moisture is going to work its way to the east, and eventually this front will move on by and temperatures will quickly drop tomorrow afternoon. So I expect temperatures to climb through the night tonight. Some spots may touch 50 degrees with these strong wind gusts. Temperatures will be in the 40s to near 50 degrees tomorrow morning, but I think the rain tapers off, and this is what the temperatures do. We go from the 40s around lunchtime to the 30s during the evening rush hour. May even see a brief rain or snow showers tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. So tomorrow is an impact day because of the winds. Wind gusts could still be in excess of 40 miles per hour throughout the day. And again, that's enough to cause some issues, bring down some of those tree limbs, or even cause or bring down some of those Christmas decorations. Worst of the winds with this cold front moving on by. That's going to be around 4 to about 8 o'clock. But notice at times still some wind gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour. But weather does improve for the weekend ahead. It looks like it is going to be a dry start and a dry finish with temperatures closer to average with highs in the lower 40s. Made it to 47 for the temperatures so far at the airport. Some spots made it into the 50s this afternoon. It's 46 right now in Ephrata, 43 currently if you're watching us in Hanover, and 43 in Greencastle. There you can see that wedge of warmer air. 54 right now in Pittsburgh, 59 in Charleston, West Virginia. But there's the big temperature drop down to 18 in Des Moines and just 8 above right now in Minneapolis. So this powerful storm is working its way to the east. Be prepared for a very busy weather day for tomorrow. So you can see here on the predictor, there's that steady rain at midnight. Then the rain really ramps up in intensity as the winds pick up. I do expect the worst of the weather for us here in the valley is going to be roughly between 4 o'clock and about 10 o'clock in the morning. Then the steadier rain moves on out, but the temperatures will drop, may get an isolated rain or snow shower as we head through the evening hours, but we should be dry by the time we make it to sunset. Weather calms down for Saturday and Sunday with highs in the lower 40s. Looks like the coldest day of the next 10 will be Monday and also the following Sunday with highs in the 30s. Could see some spotty showers for your Tuesday. Also have the threat for some scattered showers for Christmas Day and the Friday after Christmas.